In Salesforce, a session ID is used to authenticate and authorize access to Salesforce data, especially in API integrations, development, or when interacting with Salesforce from external systems. Here's how to generate a session ID in Salesforce. Log into Salesforce. Ensure that you're logged into Salesforce with a user account that has the necessary permissions to generate session tokens. Use the developer console. If you're working in a sandbox or development environment, you can generate a session ID using the developer console. Open the developer console by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner of Salesforce and selecting Developer Console. In the Query Editor tab, run the following SOQL query. This query will return the session ID for your current session. Generate via API. If you're using Salesforce's REST or SOAP API, REST API. Use the OAuth authentication flow to get an access token. After successful authentication, Salesforce returns a session ID in the response. SOAP API. After successful login via SOAP login, Salesforce returns a session ID that can be used for API requests. Generate using login URL. If you're using single sign-on, you can obtain the session ID by authenticating through the SSO provider, which will return a session token after successful login.